What is up, beautiful people? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you really quickly how to create an Instagram reel cover photo. And we're going to learn how to create it so that when you share it on your feed, it does not get cropped in some weird, funky way, like your head's not cropped off or your arms aren't showing. I'm going to show you how to fit everything you need in that square so it looks good on your feed. All right, let's go. Okay, first things first, you're going to want to download the app Canva if you have not done so already. Or if you want to operate on your desktop, nothing wrong with that. Go ahead and pull it up on there, canva.com. Okay, so here I am in Canva. I'm actually using the desktop version so I can show you guys. If you're on mobile, it should look just about the same. So what you're going to do is go to create a design and you're going to select the Instagram story template. That one is going to give you the 16:9 Instagram reel format. Once you're in here, you want to add the image that you're going to use for your Instagram reel photo. So I'm going to use this one and I'm going to center it a bit better. There we go. So I'm going to show you how you can make sure that your image fits perfectly on your feed. You're going to add a square element to this. Doesn't matter what color you choose. You're going to stretch it all the way to the ends of your template. I'm going to go ahead and decrease the opacity so I can see what's going on here. Okay, once you do that, you want to make sure that the square is located in the center of your template. And to do that, you simply just move up a little bit and move it around until, make sure the square is completely square. Move it around until you see that cross right there. And that tells you that this square is in the center. So now anything that is located within this square is going to show on your feed. To me, this looks perfect. All of my body parts are in the photo. My head isn't cropped off. You know, it'll be problematic if my photo looked like this, right? If it looked like this, then this is all that would show on my feed. I'd be a headless person and I don't want that. I want my whole body on there. So this looks good. And I recommend whenever you're taking your photos for your Instagram reels, you shoot it long. You shoot it long and you make sure there's enough space for you to crop in and still have your whole body in this square right here. I hope that makes sense. So like super close headshots, they probably won't work. All right, so this is pretty much it for me. I like the way this looks. And so now when you have it in a good place, you can delete this element right there. And then you can go in and add some pretty cool text. Like I really like this. Let's say, for example, my reel was like on a home tour, right? Let me just decrease this font a bit. Okay, there we go. Let's say I was doing like a $1 million home tour. I don't have $1 million home, y'all, but we speaking into existence in 2021, okay? I'm gonna move that up right there. You're gonna do some drop shadowing. Let's see, there we go. So this looks good to me. From here, I can download this asset and use it as a cover image for my reel. And I'm gonna show you guys what that'll look like when you do actually upload this to Instagram Reels. So here I am on my phone getting ready to share a reel. This is one of my test accounts, so it's not a real reel. I'm gonna show you guys what this cover image is gonna look like when you actually put it into practice. So we're gonna add from the camera roll, select the one we just created, and then hit done. We're going to share that. And then there it is on our feed, looking nice and pretty. And here's a second way to create that cover image if you don't have a long image to use. Go to create a design, Instagram story once again. And now instead of entering a photo, you want to go to elements and then you want to pick one of these frames. You want to go to get a square frame. Okay, so here's a square frame. And then again, you pull this all the way to the ends of your template like so, and then just make sure it's in the center. You can add your image, and then these empty spaces right here, you can add your title for your Instagram reel cover. You can change the background of this to reflect your brand colors, or you can change to whatever color you want that feels good. And then you can also go in and add some font like we did before. Say, let's do the home tour again, change the font, boom, drag that down, and then add in the $1 million, make that font a bit bigger, boom, $1 million home tour. And there you have it. And that is it. That is a foolproof way to create an Instagram real cover image that fits on your feed. As always, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you do not miss a thing. Until next time, toodles.